Looking at the euro here on the weekly time frame, just want to show you the amazing Elliott wave slash zone pattern prices made here over the past several weeks as the euro dollar has fallen to the downside. I believe that this is the top right here. And what I want to show and share with you guys is not only how you can make money following the trend, but how you can make money in the counter trend direction. Okay, so if this is the Elliott wave that's truly playing out here that we have been talking about for the past few weeks, I just want to come down here into the daily time frame and do a little bit of measuring tools here and use our measuring tool here. As we saw the new low down here and the retest of that new low, you can see that if we just take simple price action standpoints and draw it to the upside, that Y value says 315. That's 315 ticks that we have been calculating out for the past couple weeks. And right now we are at a very, very interesting spot of really following the trend with this market, and according to zone theory, as well as Elliott wave. Okay, so they're both coming into play here. You can see this nice big chocolate zone and how many times prices bounce just off the edge. Look at that. Okay, now we're looking for not only another move to the downside here following the Elliott wave, but really pushing into the bottom here. So we're looking at roughly about 400 ticks to the downside. Okay, so that is a huge amount of profit from low up to this high area. And now that we've found this high area, now we're looking for it to come back down in the direction of trend here over the next few weeks. So it's absolutely amazing that I just happened to draw this out in the way that I did. And now that these lines are actually coming to be, yes, this line wasn't drawn exactly to the top, but all things considered, this is actually very interesting where this line just happens to be laying. This was not planned. It just happened to be this way. Now, is price going to continue to fall down? We don't know. You know, the future holds many surprises. So what we can see is we can see that this Elliott wave and zone theory seem to be lining up very, very nicely. And we're hoping to see the continuation to the downside here on the euro dollar for around 400 ticks. Looking at the Aussie CAD this week, this is absolutely amazing because, again, the proof is in the pudding. We've been watching for this big push to the upside. Last week we were saying watch out for the pullback, and look at what happened, guys. Look at this big pullback. This pullback was huge, pulling from the very top of that swing up there down to our zone, our nice little aqua zone right here. That's 241 pips, or ticks, if you will, okay, down to the edge of that level. So this is the prime area for the pullback that we've been waiting for this previous week, and that's exactly what happened. Yes, we're in an uptrend, but now we've gotten the pullback, okay? And I really want to see another push to the upside into the 1.0004 level, okay? So that's really what I'm looking for, is for us to pull into that level again and retest the highs. How strong is this high really up there? We saw the nice pullback, so this week I would like to see another push into those highs again, as again we're looking for another 240 ticks to the upside. Coming down to the 4-hour time frame, this is where the support and resistance comes into play. And I'm looking for price to actually either bounce here or bounce off the zone just below us at the 98.26 down to the 98 even number. Okay, so I'm looking for price to bounce in one of these two levels and then continue to the upside. So if it bounces off of this level, again, it's about 240 ticks. If it bounces off of this level, it's about 300 ticks back up there to the extreme high. So absolutely awesome opportunities, and you can use these zones to limit the amount of risk that we're taking on, as well as if we push to the upside up here for awesome targets. So we're, again, looking right around that $1.40 area, okay? So I think that's very, very doable. You can see where the top of the zone is compared to where the bottom of it, and you can see all that consolidation just to the left, and what that really represents, and how price has fallen from that area. So I'm looking to see a retest of that area one more time. This is the great pullback that we've been predicting last week, and now we hope to see another push to the upside this coming week. It might be a little bit slow getting going. It does need to break the 99.21 area first, but I have high hopes for the uptrend to continue on this market.